Hey guys, today we're diving into the battle of the titans, comparing the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra and the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Both giants have set the bar high, and in 2024, they're pushing the limits even further. Let's break down the reasons why you might choose one over the other to find the perfect fit for your lifestyle. First up, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. If you're someone who wants it all, this phone might be your perfect match. You want all the features. Samsung's One UI software experience is renowned for packing in every feature you could dream of. From AI enhancements for photo editing to opening apps in floating windows, the S24 Ultra gives you unparalleled customization and power under the hood. You like to zoom into your photos? The S24 Ultra Space Zoom takes smartphone photography to new heights, allowing you to zoom in up to 100x. No other flagship in the US offers this level of zoom capability, making it a game changer for photography enthusiasts. You like having a stylus? The S Pen, a trademark of the Galaxy Note series, lives on in the S24 Ultra. Whether you're sketching on the go or using it as a remote shutter button for selfies, the S Pen enhances your smartphone experience. If the stylus is a must for you, Samsung has got you covered. Now let's talk about the iPhone 15 Pro Max. If you're already part of the Apple ecosystem, need top-notch performance or value magnetic wireless charging, this one's for you. You're already in the Apple ecosystem. If you've invested time and money in Apple products, the iPhone 15 Pro Max seamlessly integrates into your tech lineup. iCloud and other services ensure a smooth transition, syncing your photos, messages, and passwords effortlessly. You want the fastest performance possible. The A17 Pro chip in the iPhone 15 Pro Max outpaces the competition. From benchmarks to everyday use, Apple's optimizations shine, making it the fastest phone on the market. Ideal for multitasking, gaming, and more. You realize that magnetic wireless charging is superior. MagSafe, introduced in 2020, offers a hassle-free wireless charging experience. With K2 adopting magnets in its design, the iPhone 15 Pro Max leads the way. Unfortunately, the S24 Ultra falls short in this department. So whether you're leaning towards the feature-packed Galaxy S24 Ultra or the seamless integration and performance powerhouse of the iPhone 15 Pro Max, make sure to consider what matters most to you. Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech insights. Until next time.